Celebrate springtime by baking cupcakes with light and creamy lemon whipped cream frosting with the right amount of lemon flavor. Infused with lemon, which makes it super refreshing and delicious. Lemon whipped cream frosting is also lighter than cream cheese or buttercream frosting, plus it is not super sweet. You can top this not just on cupcakes, but you can top it on waffles, pound cakes, and many more. Remember that the vital ingredient for this recipe is lemons. Lemons are ideal for flavoring food. It gives flavor to sauces, salad dressings, marinades, drinks, and desserts. Lemons are also good for baked goods. In addition to that, it is rich in vitamin C that is good for you. For these reasons, this lemon whipped cream frosting recipe needs only a handful of ingredients. So with that, begin making this light and lovely recipe at home. Why you should make lemon cool whip frosting. Essentially, if you need a cool citrusy dessert, then you should indeed make a lemon cool whip frosting. With that, it would be best to use lime or lemon curd. As an alternative, you might want to increase the water to 1 cup. Then, stir 1 teaspoon grated lime peel into the batter for a refreshing lemon-lime version. In that regard, you can make lemon cool whip frosting by placing the Cool Whip in a microwave-safe bowl. After that, add the vanilla baking chips to the mixing bowl. Then, gently sprinkle the lemon zest on top of the chips. Likewise, drizzle the lemon juice on top of the zest. Afterward, stir everything up with a heat-resistant rubber spatula. Next, microwave the contents of the mixing bowl on high for about a minute. After that, let it sit in the microwave for an additional minute. Then, take the bowl out of the microwave. Afterward, let the bowl sit on a cold burner for approximately 15 minutes. Doing this ensures that it thickens the lemon Cool Whip frosting. What you will need. Ingredients. 1 cup of chilled heavy cream. 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 2 teaspoons of grated lemon zest. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. If you are using a hand mixer, chill the mixing bowl and beaters before starting. If you are using a stand mixer, chill the whisk attachment before beginning the process. Step 2. Then, pour the chilled whipped cream into the bowl. After that, beat the chilled whipped cream until the mixture begins to thicken. Afterward, add the powdered sugar and lemon juice gradually. Next, start beating at a low speed, then slowly increase the speed to medium-high speed. Step 3. Afterward, make sure to beat the mixture until it reaches soft peak form. Then, when the mixture is at a soft peak, fold in the lemon zest. Step 4. After that, you can serve or top the whipped cream immediately on your cupcakes. Or you can chill the lemon whipped cream frosting for 1 to 2 hours. Make sure to do this before putting it on a piping bag to pipe. Tips and tricks for lemon whipped cream frosting. When beating the whipped cream, you have to watch it carefully because it can become super thick like butter. Also, keep in mind that over-whipping can transform your lemon whipped cream into lemon butter. That is why it would help to be cautious not to overbeat the whipped cream. Instead, whip it into soft peaks to achieve that light and luscious lemony texture. Moreover, you can adjust the sweetness in this lemon whipped cream recipe. For example, you can add more sugar if you have a sweet tooth. Likewise, you can incorporate this lemon whipped cream recipe in your baked goods like pancakes, crepes, French toast, and cakes. Furthermore, freshly squeezed lemon juice is the best option for this recipe. However, you can use bottled lemon juice if it is unavailable, but expect the taste to be different. Additionally, commonly made by combining lemon juice and heavy cream. However, it can cause the cream to curdle, making it almost impossible to finish your recipe. For this reason, you can prevent your cream from curdling when you add the lemon by whipping it in stages. Then, after that, adding ingredients to achieve firm consistency. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.